tell me again, what do you do? What do you put on here?
Well, first we reshape the handle and make it rectangular so that while you're swinging it, you can tell how that hammer is going to hit. Is it going to hit like this, like this, like this, or however? It also kind of forces you to hold it the way you're supposed to, which is right here between those fingers right there. And then we char it because charcoal is a antiseptic, and then we cover it with beeswax, which is an antiseptic, so that if you get blisters, they don't get infected as easily. So,
right on.
Yeah, I like the feel of that. All right, your piece is ready. I'm gonna hold the tongs, you strike it right there. Keep going. All right, stop. Now hammer flat. All right.
I missed.
That's okay. I won't make you kiss the anvil. Grab my pointer here.
Flat.
Yep, and strike right there. All right, let me clean that up for you a little bit before we lose the heat.
Every time.
There we go. Got a super high spot there. Then we want to take that bend out of it. There we go. Now bring this like that. Bring it back that way again. All right, go flat. Okay, when you're striking straight down. You need to tilt the hammer, hold it right, like this, and just tilt the hammer. You're still coming straight down. Your body mechanics are still the same. You've just tilted the hammer so that the face strikes it differently.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get it hot again.
I missed. That's good for the ears.
Yes, it is.
That's hard to do.
Yeah. All right, flatten it. All right, this time I'm gonna take it out to the point for you. Do you want a long clip or a short clip?
Short clip.
Okay.
He makes it look so easy.
There.
You got
Okay.
a little notch in there.
Yeah.
And then a hammer on that, right?
Yes.
Gotta hit it.
Yes, you have to hit it. There you go, that's enough. Get it hot again. Right here, you're going to, can't do it in slow-mo. Right like that. So you're swinging at about a 45. Yeah. So bend your body. And it's okay if you come straight back to your nose Some people it helps them take aim. Just don't come back too far. We're losing heat. I'm just going to straighten it out.